Hello everyone, and welcome to our first week's recap. Let's go over our disclaimer first. You are responsible for your own investments. Everything you see here is for educational purposes only, and past results do not guarantee future ones. Let's now see the NeuroStreet Academy trading room performance over the last 5 trading days. This week, they executed a total of 13 trades. Out of those, they had 6 winners, 4 losers, and 3 break-evens. For those keeping track, with a $500 risk per trade, we ended the week with a net profit of $1,000. From that, we just have to deduct the commissions. It's been a decent week overall, showing steady progress and consistent strategy execution. It was the end of the month, so recap for the entire month of May 2024 was 39 trades and 26 wins, 13 losers for a 66.6% win ratio. Really great month overall. I have a free pass for the NeuroStreet Academy trading room in the links below if you are interested to see how they trade and how they proceed. You can ask your questions to Jim Simmons, who is the instructor for this trade room. He is really a great trader and highly knowledgeable. He will answer any questions you would have about trading and algo trading. You can even book a call with him to have your questions answered if you need a little more information about the school. Just follow the link in the description below and see you in the trade room. If you are new and get value from that material, hit the like button and thank you very much. If you want to be a part of our community, press the subscribe button. There are a lot of great things coming in the months ahead. I introduce you to my Finalized Workspace, which will be our playground for the next few weeks to finally test in sim, my signature strategy, and a couple more, all from the NeuroStreet Academy. I've been working for the last few months to set this up, and we will have a recap every week to let you know the performance just for the strategies we use at QuInBoFinex. We will be using NinjaTrader as a platform and tools from ARC AI, which include Waves, SMC, VMD system, macro profile, anchored volume, which include the amazing CWAP tool, and the print profiler. I will introduce and make an overview for all of these and more over the next weeks and months. Moreover, we will do the first tests on the CWAP algo from the next week on, using the NeuroStreet optimization and starting my own optimization for ES and NQ. Stay tuned to have interesting insights on algo trading and how to optimize an algo upon your needs and schedule. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies as we continue to navigate the markets together. And subscribe to go along with us. See you all next week for another recap and our first QuInBoFinex strategy recap and results for the CWAP algo tryout. Take care.